chairperson Nabwiguru Sub-County. I want to take this opportunity to thank every friend who has supported me during the hard time I went through. Since I got the accident, many friends were praying for me, many friends were yearning to come to me, many friends were coming to support me, many honorables were around and were eager to support me. From my heart, I take this opportunity to appreciate and to thank you. May the Almighty God reward you whatever you need. I take the time to thank JLK family for the prayers, Mama Bess Flips and Papa Phil. I do thank Pastor Williams and all other stakeholders for supporting me and praying for me. Jim Sagat and brother Charles Coldridge, it's my pleasure, Rose Mastu, for praying for me. You have really done a great work and I really appreciate. Right now where am I? I'm at Mulago Hospital, Kampala. That's the main hospital in Uganda, and I'm about to be discharged. Really, I'm feeling very grateful because now I can talk. I was operated on Thursday last week, but I can speak. I am eagerly thank every friend, those from Kamuli, whoever who managed to come and support me, whoever managed, whatever you have done, I really appreciate. Akaseera kano ntwala omukisa okwebaza mikwano gyange mwena ba honorable mwena okuva mu district y'e Kamuli kye mwakola nga nfunye obuzibu bwa accident. Bwe nafuna accident mwasobola okundumuukirira era mwasobola okuboneka nga mubalaaninze. Mikwano gyange abavubuka ab'Enabwigulu, ab'e Kamuli, ebitongole byasobola okuboneka nga bivaayo okunsapootinga. Banange mbeebaza ino mwebala okuboneka nga munamba. Mwetatwolanga okwo tiddi kye mwawola mutima gwange era tiddi kye nsobola abasasula. Aye kyentasobola asasula leka Katonda aizeewo ekinene kimusinga kwetaaga mu bulamu bwemmwe. Tidda kwogera bingi nenda mpoma okubategeeza nti wendi saawa eno ndi ku irwaliro lya Kampala Mulago Main Hospital. Aye era ndisuubira okuba nga nsiibulwa enkyo ndire mu kyalo tuboneke nga tukakalabya emirimu. Ndi musiimu bapolitician banange, ndi musiimu buli mukwano gwange alina kyasobola okukola, buli mukwano gwange eyeevaayo neyeeboneka nga yeyamu okuboneka nga asapootinga nze. Bana mutatwolanga okwo gwe omutima mugusigaze. Nda kwebaza buli mwana abeeninze mu irwaliro, buli ansapootinze, abanjinze ne bambeeda okuboneka nga bantaasa embeera gy'embeere nga ndimu kubanga ebeire embeera nzibu. Aye neebaza Katonda nti asobola okugimbisaamu. Neebaza Katonda kubanga osobola okuntambuza wammazaako embeera eno gye ndimu. Nkwebaza kubanga osobola okumpanirira, wanirira abantu abali kunnamba era wagabirira abo niwe igwirenga engera dange. So ndi musiimu ino, tidda kwogera bingi. Aye ndi musiimu, tiddi kye nsobola kubawa. Aye ndi musiimu, muwooza omutima gwange era njabasuubiza obutabalekulira ndaba niimwe for the rest of my life. Nga Katonda nasazeewo nga bwendize engulu era zeena kandide tutandiikiraawo bwe twali tukomye. For God and my country.